Carnival's setting sail for a new kind of fun. Imagine yourself exploring the far reaches of the Caribbean with all of the fun you've come to expect from a Carnival cruise. Blend in one-of-a-kind onboard experiences, and you've got Carnival Journeys. With new, exotic itineraries to tropical hidden gems. Spanning the Caribbean and Pacific with 9 to 15-day cruises to St. Croix, Ixtapa, Dominica, and Hawaii, just to name a few. Carnival Journeys cruises have extra perks designed for those who vacation like locals. Like onboard performances, classes, and entertainment, all inspired by your destination's colorful culture. Picture this: cooking demos that are totally tropical, calypso dancing to spice things up, and the Academy of Fun for the photographer, artist, foodie, or celestial navigator in your group. A throwback sea day, because come on, who doesn't love an 80s party? So go ahead. Memorable adventures and experiences await. Book your Carnival Journeys cruise today.